Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jellyfish versus Govee. Jellyfish lighting offers permanent, professionally installed outdoor lighting, while Govee provides a wide range of do-it-yourself smart lighting products for both indoor and outdoor use. We will explore their key differences, focusing on installation, product range, and overall cost. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which lighting solution best fits your needs and preferences for enhancing your home's ambience and curb appeal. When considering installation, Jellyfish lighting requires professional setup, ensuring a seamless and permanent integration into your home's exterior. These systems are built for long-term outdoor exposure, often backed by a robust 15-year warranty. In contrast, Govee products are designed for easy do-it-yourself installation, offering great flexibility. While Govee's outdoor options are durable, they typically have a shorter expected lifespan and warranty, making them ideal for those who prefer hands-on projects. Regarding features, Jellyfish lighting provides advanced control with individual light addressability and an extensive palette of thousands of color options. These systems often integrate smoothly with existing home automation. Govee, on the other hand, boasts a broad ecosystem of smart lights, offering various dynamic effects, music synchronization, and intuitive app control. Their application allows for effortless scene creation, scheduling, and compatibility with popular voice assistants, providing versatile customization for any setting. When evaluating cost, Jellyfish lighting represents a significant upfront investment due to its premium hardware and professional installation. However, it offers long-term value through exceptional durability, comprehensive warranties, and enhanced curb appeal. Govee products are generally more affordable, making them accessible for a wider range of budgets. They provide excellent value for do-it-yourself enthusiasts seeking versatile, customizable lighting solutions without the higher initial expenditure, offering flexibility and creative freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.